Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Han. Today I'm going to be painting these beautiful fall leaves. These are maple leaves and I'm going to follow this image. I will draw this leaf and this side leaves. Color is so beautiful. And I have my palette colors, so I'm going to use burnt sienna, orange, crimson lake, and here is yellowish color, and here is sap green and light left green and phthalo blue and ultramarine deep colors for the sky. And I'm starting by drawing out the outline now roughly. And I will draw two leaves on the top of the left. According to the reference image, the maple leaves looks like a finger, right? And the tip of the leaf shape is very sharp and uneven, right? On this way, I'm going to draw another little bit a second leaf in here. Fix the shape again, and I'm also going to draw one small leaf on the top of the center and another one here and there. For this, I'm going to color it lightly to make it looks like it far away. And I want to wet my paper with calligraphy brush first. In this painting, I'm going to use wet on wet loose style. So apply water on the paper fully. So I want to give it a 1, 2, or 3 times of the layer. And I'm starting with phthalo blue on the top of the sky and on the center of the painting. And slightly tilt the paper side to side, back and forth. Look at that. So beautiful color blend and bleed together. And I'm taking out phthalo blue again and adding on the sky area again. Clean the brush and next take a watery yellow color, put on the center of the paper and around the maple leaf area. Clean the brush again. So I want to get very bright yellow colors. So I'm also going to take a mixture of yellow deep and orange color and adding into light yellow. This paper is still damp, so it's going to be blending together nicely. Don't be afraid to try coloring boldly. Be brave to improve your skills. Okay? Tilt the paper again, add more orange and blue color around the leaf area. Put on the far away maple on the leaves with the orange yellow color. Put more orange color for raw head area. little bit more phthalo blue put on the lower area. It's time to move on to main leaf. I want to get bright yellowish orange. In order to do that, I cleaned the brush first and I mixed the yellow and orange clearly. I'm going to add on leaf area and make shell shape. I also want to add along the edge of the leaf with the consistency of dark crimson color. I'm just using the tip of the brush. Also, I'm using the side of brush and I'm able to use wiggled brush strokes and some dotting. Draw some lines and some dots on the center. Dilute the color, edge to center. Yeah, draw some stem. And finally, I'm adding on center of the leaf with a mixture of sap green and crimson color. Move on to the next leaf. I'm starting off with the orange first. You also use the vermilion or a mixture of red and yellow color. It's totally up to you, but then I'm using orange first. For this leaf, I'm going to add a green to the top and fill the space using the gentle brush stroke using some dot. On the tip of the leaf area, I'm using the consistency of crimson color. Okay, next for the third leaf area. I put some consistency of crimson color put on the edge of the leaf area, but then there are so many water still there, so these colors blend very much, so little bit I need to wait for this area dry. So yeah, it's gonna be we're gonna fix it later. We cannot control now, so this paper still very wet, so we cannot fix it. We need to wait for dry. Draw small leaves far in the distance. So first add on the orange color, and for the tip of the leaf area, little bit dark consistency of color put on there. Okay, I'm back on this leaf. So I'm going to add some detailed strokes on the leaf. Draw some lines to make sure the shape of the leaf. And for this leaf, I will show you how to fix here because I failed to control the water before, so I could not fix it and define a maple leaf. So I waited this area dried fully, so we are going to draw new shape here. Define the shape with the dark consistency of the color. Draw some lines on the center. Okay, and another small one underneath this leaf. Draw another leaf. Color is a little bit lightly with the light color. I think here is a bit bold. All three leaves are arranged in one line. So I'm going to draw one more leaf on the side. And I feel like that the point to this type of the painting. So try to not focus too much on the details. Okay. Lastly, we are going to use some splash with crimson colors. We are all done today's painting. I hope you had a good time with this painting. Use wet on wet and loose style. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe, hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.